Some machines are destined to be forgotten, left to rust in the quiet dark of time. But true beauty never really dies. It simply waits for the right hands to wake it. The first step is a clean slate, removing the burden of years of neglect. Removing the heart is delicate work, revealing the skeleton that once defined an era. Every detail matters, from the engine block to the hidden wood grain of the dashboard. A fresh coat of primer prepares the canvas for the final, iconic transformation. Bringing the engine home is like a heartbeat returning to a long silent body. Modern luxury meets vintage design, blending the best of two different worlds. The color defines the legend, a shade that whispers of speed and elegance. Precision in every component ensures that the legend runs as smoothly as it looks. The moment of truth arrives, where months of work meet the open road. Experience the awakening of true performance. Listen to that engine, a symphony of gears and power, reborn from silence.